Hey mathematicians, today we are going to review some subtracting with regrouping, just to kind of refresh our brains and to work a little bit more on it, because the more we practice, the better we get, the stronger our brain gets. Okay, so our first problem today is going to be 47, take away 19. So imagine you have 47 crayons, and you're going to give 19 of them to your friends. So we're going to have 47 and we're going to take 19 away. Now this is subtraction, so I've modeled our first number, our start number, which is 47, and then we'll take away the 19. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So there's 47 there. And now we're going to take away 19. Well, we're going to start in the ones place. Okay, so we're going to do 7, take away 9. Can we do that? Let's try. Okay, I've got 7 on take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh. Can't do that because 7 is smaller than 9. Can't do that yet. You'll learn one day how to do that, how to subtract those types of things. But for now, we're not going to do that. We can, what can we do? Move a 10. That's right. So let me get my 7 back up here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can take one of these 10s and we can just slide it over. Okay, do we still have 47? Yes, I did not add any new blocks. I did not take any away. All we did was move a 10. Now, how does that work in our algorithm over here? How do we record that? Because we can certainly take 9 away from this. Okay, so how many 10s do we have now in the 10s place? We had 4, but we moved 1, so how many do we have now? 3. So we just kind of record that. Okay, we moved a 10 over here, and we already had how many? 7, so it's like a 10 plus 7 equals 17. That's right. So can we do 17 minus 9? Absolutely, because 17 is much bigger than 9. Now, lots of different ways we can solve that. Now we can do the ones place, but 17 minus 9, I'm going to use a rec to solve it. So 17 is a 10 and a 7. I'm kind of doing this backwards, hopefully, for you guys, so it records correctly. All right, and now I've got 17 here, and I want to take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many's left? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 17 minus 9 is 8. Very good. And now 3 10s minus 1 10. Can I take 1 10 away? Absolutely. And so how many 10s will that leave us? 2. So what is 47 minus 19? 28. You'd have 28 crayons left. Okay, now we're going to look at our next problem. It's going to be 52 minus 37. We're going to start with the ones. We will have 2, and we want to take away how many? 7. Can we do that? No, we cannot, because 2 is less than 7. That's right. If you have 2 of something, you can't take 7 away because you don't have enough. All right, so what do we have to do? Move a 10. Watch this. This is a magic trick. Dun, 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 done. Okay, so how many 10s do we have left? We have to record this over here in the algorithm. We had 5. We moved 1 here, so how many 10s do we have left? 5, take away 1 is 4. So this is no longer going to be a 5. It's going to be a 4. It's kind of a messy 4. There we go. All right. Now, we moved the 10 over here, but we already had 2. So how many do we have in the ones place now? We have 12. See, 10, 11, 12. So we no longer have this 2. We have our 10 over here with it, and that gives us 12. Okay, so now can we subtract 12 minus 7. Absolutely. Let's use a different strategy of counting up this time to do the 12 minus 7. We've got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is 12 minus 7? 5. Very good. And now we've got to subtract our 10s. It's not going to be 5 minus 3. It's going to be 4 minus 3. So 4, take away 3, is 1. We had 4 10s. We took 3 away. We'd have 1 left. So what is 52 minus 37? 15. Very good. All right. In our last problem, I've stepped it up a notch and included a hundreds place. Say this with me. 433 minus 216. Okay? Excuse me. All right, so I've got 433 modeled here. We're going to take away 216. So we're going to start where? In the ones place. We're going to try to do 3 minus 6. Can we do that? No, we cannot. So what do we have to do? Move a 10. I'm going to slide those over. Dun, 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 done. All right. So now can we take 6 away from that? Sure. Yes. So let's record what we've got. We don't have 2 10s anymore. We don't have 3 10s anymore. We moved one. So how many do we have? 2 10s. So I'm going to mark the 3 out in the 10s place and put a 2 because that's what we've got now. We don't have 3 1s. We have 3 plus the new 10, which is 13. So I'm going to mark out the 3, put a 13. Okay, now we're going to subtract. 13 minus 6. Can we do that? Let's use a 100 board this time to do 13 minus 6. We're on 13 and we're going to hop back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where do we get? 7. So 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay, now we got to subtract the 10s. It's not 3 10s minus 1 10. It's 2 10s minus 1 10 is 1 10. So that we have 2, take 1 away, we'd have 1 left. And now we got to do our hundreds. 4 hundreds minus 2 hundreds. We got 4 hundreds. We take 2 away. How many do we have left? 2 hundreds. Okay, so what is 433 minus 216? 217. How cool is that? Alrighty, I can't wait to see your work and see you practice this a little bit more. Good job, mathematicians.